Okay, here we have the ALESIS SR-16 drum machine. We're gonna talk a little bit about how to create drum sets and how to save them in a pattern so we can recall it later when we need it. Well, the drum set is done with this button here, which says drum set. We just hit the button, and with the tempo up and down, we can select different sounds on the pads, which are those ones here. For example, those three, there are toms assigned. This one is a high tone dry, mid tone dry, and a low tone dry. So if we want to change that with these buttons here, we can move in up and down, and we can change the sound. In this case, I decide to have a high tone here, mid tone dry here, and a low tone dry here. And with the tempo one more up, we can set up the volume. This one is 86, this one is 84, and this one is 72 to compensate the volume between the sound. Also, we go tempo one more up, we have the panning. So on the stereo field, we can put the sound in one space on the left or in the right. This one is on the left, this one is in the center, and this one is in the left, and this one is in the right, and this one is in the center. So, for example, if we go back down here to the kick, it's a Hans kick. This one is 87 of volume. The panning is in the center. And this other one, which is the snare, the volume is 85, and the panning is in the center because it's the kick and the snare. Then the plates. On this one I have a closed head with a volume of 99 and the panning a little bit on the left. This one, which is an open head, the volume is 86 and the panning is a little bit on the right. This one, which is a live right, the volume is 82 and the panning is a little bit on the left. And that other one, which is mid crash, the volume is 68 and the panning is a little bit on the right. So we have our drums the way we like it. Toms here, kick and snare, and plays, hi-hat, crash here. And if we want to play live or we want to record, we can use this by recalling it if we save it to a specific pattern. To do this, again in the drum set, using these tempo buttons, we are now in page 1. We go up, page 2, page 3, page 4, 5, 6, 7, and on the page 8, the drum machine is asking us save set to 20. If we press play, it means yes. So here we have now located our drum set that we have just created, so we can call it later on. And when we play the pattern, the sound of this specific pattern will be here. So let's try. Okay, that's the way to create a drum set and save it to a user pattern. Alright, thank you.